Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news for all our viewers who are Medicare beneficiaries. If you've been curious about how to access remote healthcare through Medicare and take advantage of virtual consultations, then this video is for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest updates. Let's get started. So, what is telemedicine? And how does it work with Medicare? Telemedicine is a revolutionary approach to healthcare that enables you to connect with doctors and specialists remotely, all through video calls or phone consultations. And the best part, it's now covered by Medicare, making it more accessible than ever before. Let's talk about the incredible benefits of telemedicine. First up, convenience. You can access healthcare from the comfort of your own home, saving you time and unnecessary travel expenses. Plus, no more waiting rooms. You'll get prompt access to medical professionals. It's flexible too. Choose a time that suits your schedule best for the virtual appointment. Getting started with telemedicine is easier than you might think. Step 1. Contact your Medicare provider to confirm telemedicine coverage. Step 2. Download a telemedicine app or use one provided by your healthcare network. Step 3. Schedule a virtual appointment with the healthcare professional of your choice. And finally, Step 4. Have a face-to-face consultation from wherever you are. So there you have it, a game changer in healthcare, available right at your fingertips. Thanks to Instant Health USA for providing this valuable information to all of us. Your health is essential, and telemedicine is here to support you on your wellness journey. Don't forget to take advantage of this incredible option with Medicare. Stay connected, stay healthy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you have any questions or experiences to share about telemedicine and Medicare, let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay safe and take care. Bye.